are you looking to make extra money? Why not make extra money while spending time on your phone? Today we're going to talk about 5 ways that you can make money by just picking up your phone and strolling away. Hello, this is Joshua coming to you from justfrugalme.com. If you're looking for ways to save money, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, I'm going to ask for you to click that subscribe button over there, and that way you will never miss another update on great content. Today I'm going to count down my picks for the top 5 apps on your phone that can make you money. None of these apps are going to make you rich. However, it will give you a few extra dollars for spending. And stick around to the end of this video for a bonus side hustle that can make you $100 or more every single day. My criteria for the list that I'm going to show to you today are apps that have over 1,000 ratings, averaging a 4 out of 5 or higher. Apps that I have personally used, and apps that have great earning potential. Let's get started. Zella Surveys offers surveys each and every day that will tell you the exact dollar amount that you are going to earn before you start the survey. Once you reach $25 in your account balance, you will be able to cash out via PayPal. In the App Store, it rates a 4.3 out of 5 with nearly 38,000 ratings. The next app that I want to tell you about is this cool app that I use every single day. It's called Surveys on the Go. And with Surveys on the Go, you get paid to take surveys on all kind of topics right from your mobile device. Using this app, you'll be able to rate TV shows, movies, music, advertisement, evaluate products, and shopping experiences. It rates a 4.6 out of 5 with nearly 28,000 ratings there. Make sure that your location services are always on to receive high dollar surveys, and that's based on your location. With Money app, you can do it anytime and can dedicate as much time or as little as time as you want. That it is a quick way to make a few extra dollars. In the App Store, it rates a 9.4 out of 5 with about 66,000 ratings there. So a lot of people have rated this a 4 and 5, where you can see that most of the ratings were a 5. The next app that I want to tell you about is this app called Google Options Rewards. And with Google Option Rewards, you answer quick surveys and get paid up to $1 for each completed survey via to your PayPal account. In the App Store, this app rates a 4.7 out of 5 with nearly 67,000 ratings. Normally it's about 2 or 3 questions, and you just click on it, and next you know you're done, and you receive up to $1 for your opinion on like 2 or 3 questions. And the app that's coming in at number 1 is this app called GigWalk. And with GigWalk, it pays $3 to $100 to complete quick, small tasks that's mostly based on your location. Some of the tasks include taking pictures of store displays, testing apps, mystery shopping, and reviewing delivery services. Simple gigs take about 5 minutes to complete. Now it's time for our bonus feature, but if you're still watching, I'm going to ask for you to subscribe to this channel if you're looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, and that way you never miss out on great content such as this. I wanted to tell you about the side hustle that you can do to make $100 or more every single day. That's $18 to $25 an hour, and that is called Amazon Flex. With Amazon Flex, you create your own schedule, your own work time, and it's simple. You go to your local Amazon warehouse, you pick up packages, and you deliver the package. You go drop the package at the door, you take your smartphone, you snap a picture to confirm that the package was delivered. It will send that picture not only to Amazon, but it will also send it to the customer, and you go on to the next home and you just drop the packages off. Hopefully these will give you some good insight on how you can start making money today. What apps do you use to make money? Please leave them in the comment section below. I would love to read them. And if you're looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, I'm going to ask you again to please subscribe to this channel, and that way you never miss any great content. And always remember that being frugal is not about being cheap, it's about being resourceful. Have a great day.